So as of recording, we have the list of rewards live on CoinMarketCap. It says choose from the rewards below to redeem your CoinMarketCap diamonds. So if you've been claiming diamonds, you want to check out the reward section regularly. Meanwhile, we do drop uploads. So we have Santos FC fan token gift card. This one is worth about $4. The steps on how to claim it are yet to. We also have the FC Put2 fan token gift card worth about $4 on Binance today as of recording. But these things could be worth more. Says an SS Laszlo of fan token gift card $4. Pipe Flare CoinMarketCap is going for at about okay. This one is sold out already. So those ones that are doing countdown. These ones are still eligible for claiming. So these are some of the late airdrops or rewards that have been shown on CoinMarketCap. Says, are you ready for 2022? Santos FC fan token gift card, more FC fan token gift card. This one was done some while back. You can see it was worth about $5. This is Laszlo fan token gift card some while back. So the prices are usually fluctuating. So those are some of the things you want to note. So there are lots of giveaways here, lots of rewards. So you always want to check out to know which one you are eligible for to go with to make withdrawals for. So all you need to do is to have an account on CoinMarketCap. On a daily basis, you get entitled to token diamonds by completing airdrop tasks and as well as login tasks. So you want to be part of it and benefit from it. So guys, if you have any questions, kindly feel free to let us know. You can check there's been a loads of airdrops here that's been done, or loads of rewards that have been shown here. So you want to check them out. So guys, it's your boy Key. Stay tuned for more. We have this legendary Mobos CoinMarketCap NFT, which has been sold out, guys. This was the one we've been looking for. It has eventually been sold out. So guys, we hope the lucky winner. The last one sold for about $60,000. So we do hope the lucky winner will be selling it for up to 100,000 or more, or even $1 million. So guys, that's it. It's your boy Keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out. One love, guys.